Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about MOV files and how you can fix the corrupt MOV files. But before going into details of this video, I wanted to ask to subscribe to this channel in order to see more content like this. So I had a situation where I recorded the screen. I made a video with QuickTime and it got corrupted. So if I go into the Final Cut Pro, you can see the video file here and it is working. However, at certain seconds, here 3 minutes 30 seconds, the screen goes black. If I go to QuickTime to view the same video, I can see that the video is not black, but and there's here you can see that the mouse is moving. For example, you can see here the screen goes black at around 3 minutes 30 seconds, and if I go here you can see that it is not black screen. And for example here 4 minutes and 8 seconds, yeah, it turns here. So for some reason this got corrupted, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you two ways how you can fix this. So first of all, you can fix this if, let's say, I copy and make a copy of the video. You would change the extension to .avi and you would open it with VLC. Go to Preferences, Input and Codecs, and then you can press here Always Fix. Typically it is selected Asked for Action. Save that and reopen the file. Also you can try to change it into different format. So you can go here, Convert and Stream, and then you would drag drop the file here, customize the output, and then choose a destination where you want the file to be saved. So that's one of the ways. And then also for me, what has helped is this RepairIt Wondershare website. So I will put a link into the description. This is not a sponsor of the video, but I'm just sharing my experience. So this software has helped me. This tool can be downloaded and installed on your computer, or for smaller files you can do this on their website. If you scroll down, you will be able to find that RepairIt Online, you can repair 10 video files daily, and they have to be less than 200 megabytes. And what is very good is that they don't put watermark on the video, so that's very good to know. For desktop version, you can see that there is no file size limit. So basically I just drag drop the video here, and then they made an output, downloaded it, and if I go here to Final Cut Pro, this is the file that was output of the RepairIt software. You can see that, for example, the screen turned black here at 3 minutes 30 seconds, and you can see that it is visible in this video. So they did repair the file. So I hope that this tutorial is useful. As mentioned, if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please like this video so that more people with the same issues can see this video. And hopefully see you guys in another tutorial. Have a great day.